The Vantrue N4 Pro S is a cutting-edge dash cam with 3 channels, each equipped with Starvis 2 technology providing exceptional video clarity day and night. This dash cam offers a dynamic recording mode, allowing users to switch between front and rear recording to optimize performance and reduce heat generation. Equipped with advanced license plate recognition and low-light sensors, the Vantrue N4 Pro S ensures clear and accurate imaging even in challenging lighting conditions. The rear camera, featuring an IP67 waterproof design and ultra-wide lens, is perfect for use on various vehicles and enhances safety by minimizing blind spots. With built-in GPS, this dashcam tracks real-time speed and location while offering seamless connectivity through its fast Wi-Fi for easy video sharing and updates. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is designed for reliability with its supercapacitor for extreme temperatures and offers expandable storage to ensure all critical footage is preserved.